Again, price profit targets located on this E-mini trade are 42, 41.50, 41. It is now 8:32 a.m. and our methodology has identified with and taken a short trade at right here at 1943. Right here. And that came through for us at 8:32. That's 1943. Prices continue to move to the downside. We're at 42.25 mark to the market right now, traders. That's 42 mark to the market. Looking for the target. 42.75 mark to the market. Looking for the target at 42. All 15-minute indicators are clear to be short. Price is now back up to 43, now 42.75. And back up to the preferred entry at 43 and moving back up 43.50. Checking back up. 43. 42.75. $42.75, $42.50. $42.25 traders. Current configuration that it's shaking money flow right here. 42 in sight, now 42.50 MTM, 42 level is in sight, 42.75. Across the board, MFI, momentum is to the downside, and we're already through the 43. Pretty much a free and clear, as I mentioned earlier, all the way down to 41.50 traders, all the way down to 41.50. 9 minutes and 44 seconds left within the current 15-minute bar. MACD, excellent position. We are clear to remain short. $42.50. After the preferred end at $43.25. Nice profit. 8:35 a.m. 6/12/2014. $42.75. Back up to 43.25 on the preferred entry. And checking is now back up. $43, mark to the market. Nebo are open at 42.75 traders. $43.25 back up. Holding at 43. $8:37 a.m. $42.75, $43.25. Chicken money flow is up. For those of you who are in at 1943.25, you're break even right now. Now 43 to break even, a tick to break even. Chicken money flow is up to trendline cross. If 43.25 is held, and that's what it's going to take in order to remain with a bias to the downside, and then we'll still have a shot at a lot more volume coming in to drive these prices down, continue to a 42 target. MFI is good position. Everything is great position except for the chicken money flow is up because prices have retraced. A test for the high above 43.25 traders. After the low all the way down here, we sit at 42.25. MTM is 43 flat, 43 flat, holding. $43.25. $43.25. $43. MFI is clear to remain. Looking to get down below 43. People for the free and clear here. $43. $8:41 a.m. 6/12/2014. $43.25. Once again, 43.25. Check-in money flow is up. Retraced back up after the trendline violation to the downside. And here we're back right down to the downside. Every tick on a down close, we're back down. Every up, trendline violation. And there we have, we're above 43.25 for a possible out right there. So possible out if you're in at 43 here with a half a point loss, possible. Longer term holders, you could stay. Looking for the additional volume to come in. The probe on the 15-minute chart here suggests that prices should be able to get through here once again through 43. And then we have a free and clear down to 41.50. This is the move that we're looking for this morning. We may be early, but this was a valid setup. We're still holding at 43.25 right now at the original preferred entry. If you are in at 43 instead of 43.25, there was a possible out for a half, better said 3/4 to the upside. You would still be in this trade and holding at 43 right now. You have no close above 43.25 and 43.50 traders. Holding 43.25. MFI's good position, clear to remain short. Clear. Clear. Clear on the EMAs. EMA needs to flip to the downside. We need longer term money to make a decision to get us all the way down to 41.50 traders. Holding at 43.25, now back up on a retracement to the upside on a test one more time at 43.50. And a new open. At the high. New 15-minute bar is open. And we're at 43.50. $43.25 right now. $43. Here you are, and down to 43 again. $43 and holding. 43.25. $43. $43.25. Holding at the preferred entry, $43.25, traders. These prices continue to be held and a lot of volume comes in. There is a possibility that prices could continue to move to the downside. There's no doubt. However, the longer the hold time of the trade, the greater the risk that the prices can go against you, especially where they have retraced back up and now are trading within a tight channel of a tick between 43.25 and 43. 15-minute indicators are clear to remain short aside from the check-in money flow, which continues to oscillate down with the confirmed trendline violation, as it did when somewhat 5,400 contracts were traded at 8:11 to get through and be short. So the trade was called exactly right, people. There's no doubt about that whatsoever. At that point, we did get the down move. You could have been right back out for 3/4 of a point gain as soon as things never got to 42. That's for sure. We know this. Extended hold time, people. You're still clear. This trade could go. It all depends on whether the additional volume comes in, and that is short money or not. $43.25, $43.25. Mark to the market, traders. Yeah, as I mentioned earlier, 831. I have 5,428 contracts. You have 5,200. 1943, MTM 1943. That is 3 consecutive up closes. We haven't seen that. Now attempted 4 at the 43.25 level. It's positive for prices to continue to move to the upside with 4 up closes. Well, 4 in play. Your channel still held for a tick right back after the open, up and closed down for half a point between 43 and 43.25 at the preferred end. Clear across the board. Price is holding on the 15-minute chart. 43 looking to get through this level. The probe through on the previous 15-minute bar highly suggests that prices do have the ability to continue to move to the downside. The beauty of this still is if these prices go, I mean, they go with a lot of volume. We got a free and clear down to 41.50. Look at it. It's there. There it is. It's there, my people. It's there. 42.75, mark to the market, people. 42.75. New bar open. 42.75. Previous 1-minute bar had a test on a low at 42.50. All we need is about 4,000 or 5,000 contracts traded short. We can close this case. Holding at 43 now, holding at 43 traders. MFI remains clear. Across the board, we're good to remain short. Here's your 42.75. Here's your current configuration out of the shaken money flow here. Down to marginally up, and then back down with every tick down on a probe. $43. $8:53 a.m. Eastern Standard. 42.50. $42.75. $42.50. $42.75. You know you want to go. You know you do. You know you do. Come on. Give me 3,000. Give me something. $42.50 mark to the market traders. $42.50. 8:55 a.m. Eastern Standard. 6/12/2014. Our live trading room managing this trade. The E-mini futures. Back from the preferred entry area here at 8:11. Where 5,400 some odd contracts were traded short to be in at the preferred area, 43.25 traders. Back down to 42.50. That's a 3/4 of a point profit for those of you who are still in this trade right now. 15-minute indicator setup is still good to stay short. Looking for the additional volume to come in to drive the prices down to the preferred target on a 15-minute chart, located right here, are free and clear all the way down to 41.50 traders. That's 41.50. $8:57 a.m. cutting the tape on 6/12/2014. looking for the additional volume to come in to pick it back up. At prices that have just hit 42 and a price profit target. You can take that off the table right now, traders. 42 after deferred in 43.25 leaves a hard profit, 1.25. 42 for a hard profit of 1.25, traders. Getting through that with the volume that we've been waiting for to come in leaves us with an additional target to the downside of 41.50 to get out on a rally. All indicators are clear, shaking strong to be short. Next profit to the downside after 41.50's hit is a possibility of 40.75 on a 15-minute chart. It becomes 41. You could take that off the table once you get another hit if you haven't already. Now you have an open at the 41.50 level. You're good. You can take that off the table, people. It's 1.25, hard money. Here you have it. There it is. Hit. Now we've just come quite a ways since we got through the floor at 1444.25. The exact point was 1444 based on a 1-minute chart entry as it aligned itself with the close of a daily level previously that we extrapolated onto the 1-minute chart. You're holding at the 41.50 and now looking to pick up another leg, possibly down to 40.75 on a 15-minute chart, which becomes 41 here. So plenty of chances to take that off the table, traders. Plenty of chances to take that money right off once again and book that profit. You still have the opportunity. You're holding now at 41.50. You can take that. That's your 15-minute. New bar is just opened, as you can see here, and we're holding once again at 41.50. Hey, Brad, are you there?
I am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay.
Are you still in this trade?
Nope. Took my profit.
Yeah, me too. 41.50. Wow. What a hold time. Jeez.
Yeah.
Oh. Wow. Traders, if you're considering extended hold time, or those of you that have just gotten out, if you get another leg to the downside, you're talking about getting in at 41.25 again. I prefer to see that come across the table with increased volume. That's going to be 1941.25 on a preferred entry. And there you have it. On a test. Traders, that is 41.25. New preferred entry readjusted. Some volume is coming in at the new preferred entry. Not a lot, but there is some. Now, we had the same situation last time until we had the volume come in at the 811 bar for 5,480 some odd contracts, I believe it was. So this volume may increase as this level is held. Before I cut the tape, Brad, what have you got for 20 contracts for a 1.25 gain for the inside technician this morning?
That'd be $1,250.
Not a bad breakfast in the Dominican Republic, right?
Not at all.
Yeah, not at all.
You can order an extra egg in your omelet with that.
Absolutely. And you could have it imported from Holland if you wanted to. Okay, everyone, after an extended hold time and a lot of deep breathing, gotten out at 41, right here on the preferred exit, 41.50. as you can see. So for today, on this end, even though this trade may continue to the downside, we're going to cut the tape because the runtime is rather long this morning, but I wanted people to see how we could stay in a trade based on the stop never getting hit, and with a confident conviction to manage this trade the way we teach here at the Inside Technician through the course material. And yes, the Executive Mentorship Program, highly selective program for those traders who aspire to become true professionals, real money makers. It is now 9:03 a.m., 6/12/2014. This is Jeff Kilian, Chief Market Strategist for the Inside Technician, and Brad Logan, Technical Analyst and Administrator for this live trading room, on his watch from 10:30 to 2:30, Monday through Friday. For more information on this room and our current offers and pricing, you can contact us through the Contact Us form at theinsidetechnician.com, and simply fill out that form and you will be contacted back by Adrian Bickham, the acting agent for the Inside Technician and this live trading room. All the best to everyone's continued success today, and we'll see you as a new person to the live trading room shortly.